Continuing with the Windows 11 course, we will see more on Windows Update in this topic. It is always recommended that you keep your Windows 11 operating system up to date. It is not only for Windows 11 operating system, for that matter, you need to keep any operating system up to date. These updates will include security patches, service packs, device drivers, and also antivirus definition files. If you want to go to Windows Update, you need to click on Start, click on Settings. Once you click on the settings, there is an option to choose Windows Update. So this is the option where you choose Windows Update. Click on Windows Update and you will be able to see what are the updates being downloaded and what are the updates which has been installed. So these are the updates which are being currently downloaded. So some of the updates is being downloaded. So this is the update and this is one of the update which is being installed. Once the updates are ready for installation, you will be notified if you click on the Start menu, if you right click on the Start menu, and if you click on the Shutdown or Sign Out option, you will get notified to install the updates and shutdown, or it will ask you to install the updates and restart your computer. So now we can see that some of the updates are being downloaded and some of the updates are getting installed. If I want to pause the update, if I want to disable the updates, let us say if I don't want to use the updates at all from the Microsoft servers, I can turn off the update. I don't want to do that, so I will enable the updates. I can even pause the updates for a certain week. Let us say if I want to pause the updates for 2 weeks, I can enable pause the updates for 2 weeks, and once it is paused, if you want to resume the updates, you have to click on the option Resume Update. So now it will connect to the Microsoft website and it will try to download the updates which are available from the Microsoft websites. If you click on Update History, you will be able to see all the information about the updates which are being downloaded and the updates which has been installed. You can also see some of the updates which are related to drivers. Microsoft has built-in drivers for scanners, printers, and other peripherals. These are plug and play devices. Once you connect your device to the computer, Microsoft will automatically detect the device which you have connected either through the USB port or any other port. It will automatically detect and install the drivers for that specific device. So Microsoft operating system will include most of the device drivers for the devices. So in this particular case, we can see there is a driver which is already downloaded and it has been updated. Windows 11 operating system comes with a default antivirus software which is called as Defender. For the Defender, you can see there are definition files which are being downloaded. It is recommended to not only use Defender as the antivirus software, you have to use third-party antivirus software like Mcafee or Trend or any other antivirus software to keep hackers or malwares and also virus away from your computer. If you click on other updates, you can see some of the updates related to malware, and this particular update is to remove the malware from your computer. If you want to uninstall any updates which are already installed, you can click on this section, Uninstall Update. You can see these are the updates which has been already installed. In case if your applications are not working, if you are finding any problem with the operating system because of the patches, service pack, what is being installed, you can always come here and uninstall the patches or service packs. So this section is to uninstall the updates which are already installed. So in summary, it is always recommended to keep your Windows 11 operating system up to date because it will contain these service packs, patches, and antivirus definition files. And sometimes if there is any critical threat, it also contains the malware removal tool also.